Unlocking opportunities. How to find a better job as an international student. Finding a job while studying abroad can be a great way for students to gain work experience, earn extra money, and improve their language skills. Here are some tips for finding a better job while studying abroad. Research the job market. Before you start looking for a job, research the job market in the country where you're studying. Look for industries that are hiring and the qualifications and skills required for those jobs. Use university resources. Many universities have a career center or job placement office that can help you find a job. They can provide advice on resume writing, interview skills, and job search strategies. Network. Attend job fairs, industry events, and networking events to meet potential employers and learn about job opportunities. Joining student organizations or clubs related to your field of study can also provide opportunities to network with professionals in your industry. Consider part-time or freelance work. Part-time or freelance work can be a great way to gain experience and earn money while studying abroad. Freelance work, in particular, can be done remotely, allowing you to work for clients in your home country or elsewhere. Look for internships. Many companies offer internships to students, providing valuable work experience and an opportunity to make industry connections. Check with your university's career center or search online for internship opportunities. Apply for work-study programs. Some universities offer work-study programs, which allow students to work on campus in exchange for a stipend or tuition reimbursement. Overall, the key to finding a better job while studying abroad is to research the job market, use university resources, network, consider part-time or freelance work, look for internships, and apply for work-study programs. With perseverance and determination, you can find a job that will help you gain valuable work experience and enhance your career prospects. Thanks for watching. For more information, contact us.